When did you first start working at the law library?
I started here in October of 1992.
Why did you want to work at the law library?
Well, I had been working retail for a number of years, and I had gotten my paralegal certificate, so I wanted to utilize that education, and so I worked at a law firm for about 6 months. And then I noticed there was an opening here at the law library, and so I applied. I also wanted to get away from my retail hours, the nights and the weekends and on holidays and things like that. So that was an opportunity that I was willing to sacrifice and take a job here. So
What was your first job at the law library?
the first job for anybody who works here at the law library at that time was you had to put away the books. I mean, the first thing you did in the morning was you had to go in. There were always books all over the table, and you had to actually put away the books. That's how you learned where everything was in the law. That's how I know where the books are. Didn't use call numbers so much as you figured out where everything was subject-wise better. And so that's the first job you had to do, was you had to stack the books and filing. That was the other thing. There was a lot of updating of materials here at the law library because everything was in book form. So we had to do filing. My first day here, that's all I did all day long was do some filing.
And what is your current role?
I'm now the business manager or office manager here at the law library. I don't utilize my paralegal degree as much as I used to, and I'm in the accounting role. I do the accounts receivables, accounts payables, and payroll for the law library employees.
How has the library changed since you started here?
It has changed quite a bit. As I said before, we did a lot of books, but now we utilize the computers and do a lot of the legal research through online research through Westlaw and Lexis, as opposed to the books that we used to utilize and use. We used to copy a lot of cases from the reporters and things like that because the attorneys wanted copies of the cases, and that was the only way they could get that, was they had to come here, especially in the law reviews also. They wanted copies of law reviews, so we had to do a lot of copying, and we don't do that at all anymore because of the computer research now.